All right, this is the Anycubic photon. It was $169 off of the Anycubic photon website. Let's see what happens. Anyone here for box opening safety? You can immediately tell I have pointed the knife and pulled it toward myself. Eat it. Okay. What did I get myself into? Okay, first thing we have is instruction manual. Me kicking everything. A sales card. How to use the resin. Oh, it comes with a red USB stick. Stamp of approval. Power cable. Miscellaneous tools and whatnot. Screw, Allen wrench. Power cable. And I'm bleeding. That was awesome. The unit itself, and a Mexican struggling. I'll have to put all this back so we just get it home. I can't open it. There it is. Okay. Opens nicely, metal chassis. That out. America. This is the print bed. They pulled off part of that dog barking. Oh, that's nice. They actually provided me a couple of those. The filter. And this is the resin tub. Jeez, why can't I think of a word? And there's the rest of the machine. Alrighty. Don't break the machine, Josh. You good?